In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator to a Gumroad product. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. Gumroad is a wonderful platform for creators to sell their products, and a significant feature of Gumroad is the ability to collaborate with others. This allows you to work with partners, share responsibilities, and of course, split the earnings. So let's go through the process step by step on how you can add a collaborator to your Gumroad product. Firstly, you want to start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Gumroad website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on your Gumroad dashboard, which is your control center for all of your products and sales. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the menu and you should see an option on the side labeled Collaborators. Click on that. This should bring you to the section where you can manage any collaborators you may have already added or where you can start adding new ones. Now here comes the important part. You're going to see an option that allows you to add a new collaborator. Click on that option and a new page will open up for you. This page is where you'll input the necessary information to invite your collaborator. You'll need to enter the email address of the collaborator you wish to add. Be sure to double check that the email is correct to avoid any confusion later on. After entering the email, the next step is to set the commission percentage. This is how you'll define what percentage of the sales your collaborator is entitled to receive. Think carefully about this percentage. You want to make sure it reflects the contribution they are making to the project. Once you've filled in both the email address and the commission percentage, look over to the terms of agreement. You'll usually find a checkbox that states you agree to the terms of partnership or some similar wording. Make sure to read through this carefully. It's important to know what you're agreeing to. Once you understand and agree, check the box. And just like that, you're almost there. With everything filled out correctly, you can then look for the button to send the invitation. Click that button, and your collaborator will receive an email invitation to join you on this venture. They'll have instructions on how to accept the invitation when they check their inbox. What's really great about using Gumroad is that once your collaborator has accepted the invitation, they will have access to the product you've added them to. This means they can help you with various tasks, from editing details about the product to managing sales. This can be incredibly useful if you're working on a large project or if you simply want to share the load with someone who has expertise in a specific area. To sum it up, adding a collaborator to a Gumroad product is a straightforward process. Open Gumroad, navigate to the Collaborators section, fill in their email, set the commission, agree to the terms, and send the invite. Thank you for watching this walkthrough on how to add a collaborator to a Gumroad product. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it was useful for you. Happy collaborating!